Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. Today I'll be doing the second episode of Positivity with Pipli. My name is Pipli Roy Chaudhary and welcome back to my channel. And today my topic is ways you can handle when you are low. There are multiple times when we feel low, we don't feel motivated enough to do our work, do our job, and we feel that we are not in the right state of our mind, and this is very normal. And I think that I can help you in some ways in which I lift my mood up by doing some stuff which I have discovered through my experience, and I'll be sharing that with you all. And so stay tuned and please let me know how you like this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Number one is don't overexert yourself. You have to keep in mind that it's very normal to not feel anything in some days, and it's fine and it's okay to feel low and be unproductive. There are days when things don't go as we want it to be, and that's absolutely fine. Do something which relaxes you, do something which you love and you enjoy doing the most, and that's what I do. And these days are days in which you can explore yourself more, and you can do things which you actually want to do the other days. So it's fine to take a break once in a week, because our days are very very exhausting, and our jobs are also very exhausting sometimes, and we don't feel good and positive all the time. So I think don't overexert yourself, don't put any pressure. It's fine to feel low, and it's absolutely natural. So that is the first thing that you have to do. The second most important thing that you can do is that you can take a step back and you can reflect on what is the root of your feeling. I mean, you can start understanding that why I am feeling this way, and that may help you a lot in healing and knowing what you can do to lift up your mood. So that is something that I do. I take a step back and reflect on how and what went wrong, and what are the causes that has led to this bad mood. So that this is something that you can do as well. According to me, one of the most important things that you can do when you feel low is to seek help. This is something which I have realized for the past few years, is that please reach out to someone whom you love, or who is cooperative and who is loving. So reach out to someone, seek help, or you can also talk to somebody whom you have confidence on, or you can talk to a professional or a counselor if you want. There is no harm in talking to somebody, and I think reaching out to people is the most important thing that you can do if you're feeling low for a consecutive period of time. So I think you should take help, and you should discuss this with people whom you love, your family members, your loved ones, and you can discuss problems and why you're feeling low, and you can have complete trust over them, and you can actually get help from them, which will eventually help you heal. So I think talking to others is a very very important step. The fourth thing that you can do is you can maintain a diary or a journal and write down your thoughts and your feelings and what you are feeling at that point, so that you can reflect on the thoughts later on. And this actually helps, because when you will be going through the pages of your diary, in some other point of time, then you can actually understand what's the problem and what's the source of your feelings and emotions. And pouring your heart over into a diary is a very good way, because I have done it myself, and this is the diary that I maintain, and I write it almost every day. Not that every day I feel low, but I think maintaining a diary every day helps a lot, in a lot of ways. So I think that you should maintain a diary or a journal. There are loads of cute and pretty notebooks that are available right now in the market. You can buy one of them and you can write everything that you're feeling, your emotions, your gratitude, your feelings, how you're feeling on that particular day, what you have done, what you expect from others, everything. So later on, when you will be going through the diary, you will understand the emotions that are attached to the writings. So this is a very good way in overcoming a period when you are feeling low. So this is another way. Fifth thing is something which I do a lot nowadays. I feel grateful for all the things that I have. If you are grateful and you express your gratitude, then you will not feel low, because you will know the importance of the little things that you have. So you will start acknowledging the little facts that you don't normally. And I have myself started doing this, because there are so many things that we are privileged of, and there are so many people out there who don't have those privileges that we have. So we should be grateful for all the things that we have already. And this is a way of making your thoughts positive and your viewpoints much more specific and expressive. And also I think you should express gratitude to the people whom you think have made you the way you are. You should reach out to your parents, your partner, your in-laws, your friends, or anybody of importance in any other sphere of life. And I think thinking of the memories and expressing gratitude is a very, very, very good way of overcoming your crisis or overcoming your low mood. So this is something that I have been doing for the past few months, and I think you should also do that, and I think it will help you. There are some other things that you can do which are very normal. You can take your pet out, which will lift up your mood, or you can listen to some good positive music, or you can listen to some good positive podcasts that are available right now. You can also eat anything you want, because binge eating is something which lifts up my mood. So whenever I feel low, I eat anything that I like chocolates, ice cream, cold drinks, which I generally try to avoid. But on those days, I don't limit myself, and I eat whatever I want to eat. And also you can binge watch series, or you can watch movies, comedy shows. There are also many stand-up comedians who perform live, or you can watch it on Netflix or Amazon Prime. So these are the things that you can do, and I think that it will help you, because these things are things which I do when I am low. I think that there are ups and downs in our life, and some days are good, some days are bad, and I think that we should take up these challenges and try to overcome them. And so this is it for today. I think this video has been helpful in some ways to you. Please let me know how you like it, and also please let me know suggestions if you have, and advice if you have. You can write down in the comment sections below, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and stay positive. Bye.